Welcome to episode 4 of the Kent Tackle series. You join us down here at Elfix. We are on West End Lake.
The whole team has just arrived. We've had our walk round. I've just put a bit of bait in. Lucia's getting set up. So yeah, let's go. So we've just arrived at the lake. I'm just feeling a few spots on the edge. It's lovely and clear, so yeah, there's a lovely sort of patch of it's just clear. Yeah, we'll put a bit of complex tail, just press on that. Right there. I'll keep checking it, so hopefully we can go on the edge, that'd be pretty cool. Well, got all my gear. I've had a little walk round, baited a few spots, but I'm going to start off in the far corner. Fish to one near the island, I reckon, and probably one in the edge, sort of, because I can always keep an eye. It's lovely and clear, so yeah, maybe we'll have see if we can get a quick bite. Quite misty though, so I can't really see a lot, only in the margins, but yeah, I think we'll have a go this far corner here. Must be a few fish patrolling that island, so let's see if we can get a bite. It's going to be hard. Wasn't really feeling it in that corner swim, so I think I'm just going to watch out for bubblers, keep an eye on their margin spots. I'm just going to go around one rod. Obviously it's only a small lake, so you're never far from them. But yeah, Luce is pitched up sort of in the middle, so they're put her rods, she's going to put her rods out. Tom's pitched up, well, not far from where I was. And then yeah, I think me and Dan, sorry, just going to just see if we can force a bite sort of thing. Yeah, let her get on. Ta-ta. Bit awkward. Oh.
G'day, as Lou said, we're on our yearly social, Elphicks at West End Lake. All of us are here from the shop, so hopefully it turns out to be a good couple of days, and hopefully some fish come on the bank.
Well, been walking around for about an hour. Haven't seen any sort in the margins yet or out in the middle, but Dan is fishing this side. He's over there. And yeah, I was walking around, just coming around the corner, and one just went, and again, just off this island. I just flicked it out of a little bag, just one rod in it, and then yeah, I'm feeling quite confident. Nice drop. So yeah, hopefully it was a nice dark comment, so I'll let you know. Fingers crossed, eh? The old coochie helping. Uh-oh. Right. There's Dan, look, putting a bit of bait in. We're just putting a few spots in the margin. Hopefully this mist is, the sun's meant to be coming out. Well, meant to be about 18 degrees today. Definitely don't feel it. But yeah, obviously got that one rod where that fish showed just off that island. Feeling confident, to be fair. Well, hopeful. Well, look, Tom's doing it. Yeah. But yeah, there's definitely a few down here. So, see what happens. Let the one rodder do its thing, eh? Carp. Oh god. Well, a couple more fish has just shown right in front of me. So I've got the 2 rods out now to increase my chances. Just showing about mid-water. Left one obviously had a nice donk to it, but the right one was a bit soft. Yeah, that's why I am. See, I really cast it out, it wasn't, but the second one was a bit better. Yeah. They'll bubble up now. Oh, not far from right hander. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Here he is. The man behind the camera. Gonna come and poach our swim. Look at him, look. Spitting image, you are.
Of what? Specimen? Make it.
No, what's the what's the thingy? Oh,
Yeah.
the Hobbit, innit?
Huh? Oh. It probably is.
Look, the pike are following Tom.
What a start to our social here on Elfix with this £34.10 banger of a mirror. We're going to get some snapped, get this one back, and hopefully one of the other guys can catch one to show you as well.
Still nothing yet to report. The other one's still showing. I thought on the right rod, obviously that drop wasn't 100% with it. So yeah, I've done a tied up a choddy, flicked a choddy out there, and yeah, they're still there. So I'm quietly confident. But yeah, literally I cast out 10 seconds out, one just jumped. There you go, one just there. They're rare. It's always the way, innit? You're on them, you can't flip and catch them. But yeah, we'll try. So the action slowed right up. The fish are still in front of us, but they're more sort of up in the layers, cruising about. But yeah, they changed to a chod. Nothing. And then put a zig on. Just literally put the zig on. Black foam. Yeah, feeling confident. What one was at the margin? Oh, the lefty. Liner. Dan just had a bit of But yeah, he's standing on this little stump and you can see him all cruising about. But yeah, see what happens.
Day one's over with. Haven't had anything as of yet. Had quite a few savage liners. Put a rod down the margin because I've seen quite a few fish jump. So fingers crossed I can show you one tonight or first thing in the morning. Definitely got a bit chillier now. So I'm going to get into bed and hopefully give you an update halfway through the night.
Well, first night's drawing to a close. Obviously I had the 34 earlier, so I'm still pretty buzzing about that. Hopefully tonight one of the other guys gets woken up to a one toner and we get a nice bit of early morning footage for you guys.
Well, coming into the first night, we've just had our dinner, fajitas, lovely. Yeah, got the rods out, feeling fairly confident, like definitely still a few about. Yeah, we'll see what tonight brings. Obviously if we catch one, yeah, we'll let you know. Yeah, if we don't hear from us, see you in the morning. Ta-ta. Wade her up. Look at that. Still half asleep.
Scared the life out of me, that did.
One sulking in the net, look.
You got your sling ready?
Mm-hmm, all ready. You want to put it in the sling?
Yeah. Probably be easier, I think. It just saves lifting them out in the net, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The water's actually not that cold.
No, it ain't, is it?
No, not really.
It's actually alright.
I'm still shivering though, I'm not going on.
Well, yeah, you are just in a t-shirt.
Yeah. Fucking nuts, aren't I?
Go on, Lou, she's caught one. And a banger. Sorted?
Yeah.
You wait till you lift it. Tell you what.
Good?
Nope. Feels really. It's right, keep her up.
Come on.
I just want to get good snaps.
Lou, my arms are dying.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
Yeah? No?
Fucking. Yes, loose. That's PB. PB. Yeah.
So, new PB, £34.4. Absolutely buzzing. About 8:30 and, well, what can I say? New PB. I had that 29-pounder around 3:30 this morning, and then I had that PB about an hour ago, so 34.4. Buzzing is an understatement. Just had another savage liner on the right hand rod that's down the margin, so fingers crossed can get a couple more.
Well, morning update from me. Obviously I had that 34.10 yesterday, so that gave me a right little buzz. Really confident for today as well, to be fair. Then we got woken up at 3:15 last night for Lucy to have her first bite of £29. And then again at 6 o'clock this morning, and she's had a new PB of 34.4. So go on, Luce, and well done. Hopefully today, Lou can bag up.
Well, I've come back around here. Just seen one top. Got a stiff hinge out. And I've got a rod just literally where the net is. To a few bubblers. Them bloody things have kept me up all night. But yeah, it's, see what happens. These fish are they're back here. You can see them all clouding up. The rods went out lovely. Decent donk. Yeah, I can see them sort of clouding up again. I'm just slacking the lines off always. I think it can be a little weird, just slacking them off. Take your time, even leave it for 10-15 minutes as long as you can. Because yeah, especially on these day tickets where they get pressured a lot, it must make a difference. I don't know, it might do, but yeah, I always leave them for about 10 minutes, slacking them off, and then clip the bobbins on. I mean, I probably don't even need the bobbins, I'm only fishing close in, fairly. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. competiton. Da, 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 da. That ain't a bad fish, is it?
Yeah, I'll take all that lead off that quick.
Dumpy. Number 30?
Yeah, I'd say so. There's so many natural snails in this.
Well, finally, we've had a take. As you can see on the footage, they were all clouding up, bubbling. But yeah, we got a nice one in the net. Probably another 30. But yeah, I'm going to get that rod back out and hopefully catch another. So here we are, the first one for me. One just over £30. Yeah, that move this morning paid off. So yeah, I'm buzzing with that. Yeah, we'll get some snaps and yeah, we'll put it back.
Nice bit of builder's crack there, Lou.
Yeah, no worries. Oh, she's very good. Go on, Bill. See you later. Well, the yellow ISOs have been doing it for me. Bright yellow at bait on a stiff hinge, fishing in amongst the weed on the edge of it. Yeah, it's been doing the trick. So yeah, for $4.99 a pot, do you know what I mean? You can't really complain with that. So yeah, definitely give them a go. There's a pike for you, look. Shut myself, thought it was a carp swirling, but nope. There he is, look. Love it when it's clear. Let's see if I can get a better. There he is, look. It's there. Cheeky fucker.
Just going through the rig that I've been using for this session. On two rods, I've just gone for the standard chod, which is made out of ESP stiff rig down to a chod hammer. And that's fishing with 15mm ISOs on it from the Kent Tackle Special range. And the other, I've just made a hinge, again out of the same material, stiff rig, but with a 13mm ISO and ESP's semi-stiff coated weedy green hook link. But that's what I'm using. Hopefully we've still got time for another bite, and yeah, I'll get to show you another one.
So this is the rig that's been doing the damage for me. Just a stiff hinge using ESP stiff link in weed green, a size 6 barbless chod hammer, and the yellow ISO in 15mm. So yeah, that's been doing the job, just fishing on the weed bed or on the edge of it. And yeah, it's been absolutely nailing them. Ready? So been doing a couple of laps around the lake, trying to find the fish, and yeah, there's been a few shows where I was last night. So I've got a single rod with a yellow pop up, and yeah, on a stiff hinge, and just cast it on the reed line, and then yeah, she's away after about 10 minutes. So yeah, it was absolutely peeling off. So there we are, the second bite of the Elfix trip. The move around, finding them, fishing singles. So yeah, it paid off with this this lovely 40-pounder. So yeah, we'll get some snaps and we'll put it back. So that move paid off. Another one in the bag, another PB. 40. But yeah, absolutely buzzing with that. Just a single yellow pop up on a stiff hinge. I think that's all you need this time of year. If you can get on them, they're always moving. And yeah, good. Hopefully, one of us gets another one. But yeah, catch you in a bit. Tom and I are going to have a celebratory brew. Get that kettle on, boy. Cup. Lovely. Tom's sorting his rods out, look. Feeling confident, Tomo?
Yeah, pretty.
Yeah.
Hopefully something happens.
Yeah, it's looking good. Seen a few. Brew on the go. Loving life. So we're going into the second night. Rods are out, just fishing singles. Yeah, got one of the rods in the margin where I had that one earlier, and then two out the middle where they've shown. And then I think in the morning I'm going to go back on that spot where I had the 30, because that's where there was the morning before. See if we can bag another. But yeah, they've seen a few. It's looking good for another bite, so yeah, fingers crossed. But yeah, we'll let you know if we catch another one. Ta-ta!
Little evening update from all of us. No action so far this evening. Rod's been pretty quiet, lake's gone really quiet, so we thought we'd just sit down and tell you about the competition.
So if you can guess the exact weight of the £40 plus that Lou had earlier in the day, we're going to give away an ESP retaining sling and also the Kent Tackle Special hook bait that he used, which is the ISOs.
So we're going to give you, once this video is out, we're going to give you 7 days, and yeah, we'll announce the winner.
But yeah, that's all from us tonight. Obviously, if we catch any more, we'll make sure we film it so you can all see.
Ta-ta.
Peace.
Well, it's now 9:45 and Lou's just had a very twitchy bite on his right hand rod. Unfortunately, it's managed to kite and pick up his middle rod, so we're just having to try and deal with that at the same time.
That's why I only fished one rod.
But yeah, Lou's into his third bite of the session, should I say, and it already looks like quite a decent fish, to be fair. Not that you can see a lot because the GoPro is very dark. What are you saying, Lulu?
What I'm saying is, get on the old ISOs, mate.
What are you saying, Luce?
Get on the ISOs.
Well, the rod has just gone. I think we've got a bit of a hippo. God, lovely stuff. Well, here we go. The third bite for me, another 40-pounder. Yeah, I'm blown away, really. Yeah, this was just taken on a single and the ISO. Yeah, they've been doing the job for me. So yeah, we'll get some snaps and we'll put it back. Sweet. Lovely. Putting that rod straight back out, and in about 5 minutes we've got another one. Them yellow ISOs are really doing the job. But yeah, we're gonna put it on the mat, put it on the scales, and see what she goes. So here we are, the fourth bite. I'm glad I put that rod straight back out. I didn't even have to clip the bobbins on, and it was away. Yeah, buzzing with that. Another 30, which is ridiculous. The average has got to be upper 30. Yeah, a lovely mirror. Buzzing.
well, back again for the second night drawing, and what a 24-hour it's been. Lou has now managed to land 4 bites. Lucy's had 2. All of us have now had new PBs, and yeah, it's turned into an epic session. Obviously, we've still got a whole day and tonight, obviously, to go over this session. So fingers crossed, some more fish can come on the bank, and yeah, we get to show you lot and make this film into an epic one.
Quick breakfast. Don't you hate it when the old Nutella goes hard, eh? Bollocks. Yeah, gonna have a bit of something to eat. Just gonna reel that left-hander. I'm gonna go around the other side, and yeah, change to I'm gonna a couple of stiff hinges. Just flick it on wherever I see them or whatnot, and hopefully can get one. Ta-ta.
Really quiet last night. Didn't hear any fish show, hardly any liners. So this morning I've moved my rods into a bit of deeper water and try and find the fish. Gonna keep an eye on the lake and hopefully the fish give themselves away. But until then, don't know what I can do for now, and hopefully I can grab one before we go home.
Good morning. Last morning here at Elfix. A very quiet night for all of us. I think Lucy might have had a few liners last night, but that's about it. And then, yeah, the geese woke us up for about 5:30, and they've been an absolute nightmare since. But still got today left. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I can maybe move around later and find them, and hopefully catch another one.
Yeah, a bit wet last night. Didn't bring any spare clothes like usual, so I have to wear the old long johns. Probably look like an absolute prick at the minute, but oh well. Just going for a walk around. Just having a look at that spot. Caught one yesterday. See if I can see anything. So I might have a move around the other side and yeah, have a go there. But been looking all morning, I haven't seen any. Well, unless they've been showing the other side of the island. But yeah, just looking for any little signs really, any subtle signs. But yeah, might have a little move.
Bit of a moody day today. The weather's changed again. We had rain all night. It only stopped about 15 minutes ago. Lou's already got up and got on the move. He's gone on to the opposite bank, where he managed to snare one pretty quick yesterday morning. I think he's seen a few, so obviously he's just, again, fishing the singles, trying to go for them. I've redone my rods about half hour ago, just put fresh hook baits on them. And yeah, pretty much went in exactly the same areas. One's gone a little bit more left, and I found a bit of a harder spot. So yeah, fingers crossed, one of us can land one more just before we go home. So we're here till about 6 o'clock tonight anyway. But yeah, we'll keep you updated.
Got a sneaky feeling I might spook them. There's not as many signs at the minute. So as soon as I cast out, there has been a little bit. Yeah, fingers crossed. We will see. But yeah, a lot decent drops to be fair. So yeah, fingers crossed.
So I got to christen the new net. I just bought the Terrian 44-inch ESP net, and to be fair, I love it. Matches the rods. Bit of a tarty moment for myself, but yeah, in stock now. So Lou's on the phone. And I thought, let's have a laugh. I'm saying we push him in the reed bed. Or we make him crap himself. Either one. Nudges!
Oh, frick!